So I hope that you have enjoyed the course today. And we have looked at all kinds of interesting ways of working with both Flexbox and Grid. They can be combined. They can be nested one inside of each other. And I hope that some of the work that you've looked at here have inspired you to think more and more deeply about the types of layouts that you can make on your web pages and how those might change across media queries. And if you like this course, the next one that might make sense for you to watch would be our CSS Advanced Layouts, which is here at Front End Masters and goes through layouts that are leveraging things like calc and CSS custom properties or variables. It also looks at things like hamburger buttons built only with CSS, and it does some work with responsive tables as well. All of that would be a great next step for you once you've watched this course. Thanks again.
This person's asking about making the resume or like allowing it to be downloaded and shared.
Okay. Yeah. So for your resume, if you want it to be downloaded, like somebody wants to save it to their computer, unfortunately, a PDF is probably the best way to do that. That's going to preserve all your formatting and stuff. Another way that you could do that might be helpful would be to look at print styles, CSS print styles, which are, I mean, they're similar, it's CSS, but it's designed to set up your web page such that it's supposed to be printed. And so when you put it into the print format inside of your browser, it could look completely different. You could take the color out of it. You could set things up to display in columns. You can put in page breaks. There's all kinds of interesting things that you can do with a printed layout. So that might be another possibility for you. But Grid is not necessarily going to address the ability to download a resume.
Yeah, I've seen people like make a print style sheet and then you click print, you're on it, and then you can just like print and then save that as a PDF and make that available.
Yep, absolutely, that's true. So yeah, when you go to, at least on the Mac, when you go and you say print, one of the options is print to a PDF. And if you have some good CSS print styles in place, then that will, in theory, put together a document that'll look great for somebody to download.